All right, guys, so we are here at Cranbrook Forest, so we're gonna hike. So I'm going to put on my water shoes. My gosh, what's our day, guys? If you guys saw the last, I don't even know what number with a fan. The last couple of vlogs that I've been doing, so we're touring Trelawney and St. Anne's. Hopefully you guys can hear me. Hold on. All right, so we're basically touring Trelawney and St. Anne's. So this is the fifth place. So we got river, we got cave, we got beach. This is the fourth place, guys. And this is the first place we had to pay for. It was $1,000 per person to enter, which is probably like, how much in US that? Somebody, probably less than $10, I know for sure. Probably like $5 US, I think. I don't know. We'll do the math. That's like $6 in US. So not bad, not bad. But yeah, if you listen, you can hear the river. So we're gonna hike. It's so nice. What's right? Oh wow. Yes. I'm not sure. This is a campsite, sir?
Yeah.
The campsite. My God.
So these plants, when the sun hit it, it changes color.
Oh, really?
Look at
Oh, to the purple. Oh, my. Like a little lavender. What do they call it? You know what I mean?
I don't know the name right now.
Oh, that is awesome. Guys, look, you see? You can see the different color? That is awesome. That's nice.
I'm gonna try something. I don't know if it will work.
But they can be a bit tricky to care for. Do you have any questions about it?
Wait, repeat what you just said, please.
My mistake. That's a Wildenau spike moss, also known as Selaginella wildenoi. It's a type of fern that's native to Southeast Asia and is known for its beautiful iridescent blue leaves. Did you have any questions about it?
Interesting. I didn't know the phone could do that. That's AI?
Yeah.
Oh, interesting. Jungle, this, yes? We're like in the jungle, guys. Can you imagine this nice though? I'm not gonna lie. This is definitely different. I've never done this before. I can say that for sure. But it's nice. Anytime I hear a little noise, you know, I have to be careful because me and animal no get along. It's not snake or nothing, I'm gone, you know? Oh? Oh, it's muddy right there. Oh. Ew. Ooh. Look. It's muddy. That's fine. Good lucky thing I have on my water shoes and not my sneakers, my books. Left my bug spray. We soon reach, man. We soon reach. I say that to calm myself down. I have no idea if we soon reach or not. But I said that to give myself hope. So we soon reach. No way, River Park. Man, I see a lot of people doing this hike. There's no that river that's supposed to empty. Are so much people fit? No, sir. Oh, the little macadam stick to my dress. My God. Oh. I don't know we can't insurance. I remember so if we go back in, we can't send the carefully. It's a good thing when I come in a bag and pan. Can you imagine if we don't come and river come cook? So rich. Almost there? Halfway. Halfway. I just know it's gonna be worth it. I know it's gonna be worth it. I know I'm gonna get to it and be like, oh my God, this is nice. Oh look. Oh, this is rough. thought it was a snake. I think we reach. I think we reach. I know it's gonna be so worth it. Ooh, what you like it? Yes. Oh, there's a little bridge right there. Oh, that's nice.
To your left.
Okay. You can see it. A lot of His God, of His mercy. Just 2 minutes. Wow. Yeah. Wow. Look here, guys. Jesus Christ. What's up? Oh, it's not. Oh, yayagan. Ano? Yayagan. My Lord. Oh, it's nice. You sure now? Wow. Wow, wow, wow. 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 Oh, we're rich. Yay! We're rich. Ah, this is where the river starts. Ah. Oh, nice. Oh. Ah. Ay, nasa deep na yan, oh. Another blue hole. It's nice. As I predicted, I'm gonna say, this is nice. No, man. It's nice, but. Come on now, guys. Come on. Isn't the hike worth it? It was a 25-minute hike. Isn't it worth it? More than worth it. Come on now. Beautiful. Look, oh, look right at us. Come on now, man. Come on. Come on. Oh, yeah. This is nice. This is nice. Oh, look over there. But the current, the rush on this one, right? This one, right? So you guys see that high prices though? Supplying water to somewhere. Nice, man. Very, very nice. Very nice. lovely, lovely. Nice. I don't see any cars to swim. I guess this is just like a viewing river. As I was saying, because ain't no way enough people that are river yaka. The hike alone was crazy. So this must be like a viewing. They come here for view. Oh, I left my book free. There's a step. There's steps to go down. Oh, would I go down that side? Or make it for the pipe people them. Whoever fixes the pipe. Yes. Yes, man, this is nice. Guys, the water come from under. Yeah. See guys, the water coming. Yeah, we came the perfect time. It got packed all of a sudden. We came the time where we could come, see, take our picture and them from there, meditate. We came the perfect time, right before this. Oh, but them just are fun, find a part here. They must swim. They must can swim. I remember Silent River run deep, so what is a deep? I'm glad we were able to experience it without anybody there first. But yeah, guys, this is it. Time to go back down, to hike back down. The guys who just came, they were like, they always come here, but they didn't know that it came up further. They didn't know it had that extra part. And I'm like, you see, even locals don't even be knowing the gems that Jamaica has to offer. We think, oh my gosh, this is it, it can't get no better. And Jamaica be like, but wait, there's more. That's amazing, man, amazing. All right, guys, so this is the fourth and final place up to this month's excursions with Kirk. Nice, man. Nice. Alright guys, we made it back. It took 22 minutes. 22 minutes to come back down, so Kirk was not lying when he said I thought he was over exaggerating. He was not. He was not. But it was good. It was good. A lot more cars out here. But it looks like they're just doing like picnics and stuff. I wonder what the river there. Alright, we're gonna go look at the river part where people go. Where most people go to hang out. So this is the popular side where people come. Come here, so ain't no way so many people do that hike there. No way. No way. Oh, these are nice. Nice. Such a tree. Somebody smell good. Somebody just did. One more cars on this side. Oh. Okay. Yeah. Oh, it packed on. Huh? Yeah, I'm trying to see the side.
I don't miss the video.
No. That's the common area where when you want bed with people like this, so you go. But when you want peace and quiet, you do the hike, the 25-minute hike. I guess you have to weigh out what's priority. Alright, y'all, that's that for Cranbrook Forest. Of course, you know the do. Let YouTube know you're rocking with us by hitting the like button, leaving something in the comment section. Leave a comment. What was your favorite part of this? Alright, I'm gonna big up on yourself. See you guys next time.
Jamaica, Jamaica, hey. Jamaica, Jamaica, hey. Jamaica, Jamaica, hey. Jamaica, Jamaica, hey. Well, welcome to Cranbrook. And welcome to Theater. Well, welcome to Cranbrook. And welcome to Theater. Well, welcome to Cranbrook. Damn with the tops and jump back. Go now within a one back. In a your handbag, turn up, stuck it in a your backpack. This fella give your girlfriend contact. Some why not know this? Them only come out like tourists. On the beach with a few club sodas. Bedtime stories. Up house like them left truck tourists. I don't know the real hardcore. Sandals and no back to. The thugs do it with them.